Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in the key fob of a late model Holden keyless start car with a fresh one, using a nearly identical key fob from Chevrolet as a stand-in. We'll need the help of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We need to remove the mechanical key to get started. Push the release button on the side of the fob as shown, and pull the keyring, and we have the key. Slip the first inch or so of the mechanical key back into its slot and twist. This releases the back of the fob so that it can be separated into its two halves. Be cautious along the edges of the fob and be careful as you twist. The plastic is quite thin and can be damaged by the key. The battery is seen with its markings down. The tip of the screwdriver now comes into play and gets beneath it. And there's our CR2032. Slip the new battery in, again with its markings down, starting at the top of the battery space. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth again to clean it. Make sure those markings are down. Line up the two halves of the fob and snap them back together. We started at the keyring end, but it didn't seem to matter. Then replace the mechanical key. Test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.